Always give a man more in use value than you take from him in cash value. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, JD here. So I got that quote out of the book, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. And since I've become a producer in the marketplace, I produce digital products in the marketplace, I decided long ago, because I read that book years ago, but I decided when I read that quote years ago that that's how I was going to approach business. I was always going to make sure that I give people more in use value than I take from them in cash value. And I'm gonna explain what that means deeper in this video. But I just wanted to kind of do a little house cleaning, I guess I could say, because I'm getting a lot of new subscribers. A lot of people are finding the channel, and that's all great. So, you guys need to know who I am, what I stand for, and I just want to show you that, hey, I stand on business, okay? So, first, I'm releasing a new book. It comes out April 21st, 2024. It's available for pre-order right now up until April 1st. And I think it's confusing a lot of people. I think the book is actually confusing a lot of people because it's a book for Forex, okay? But I would probably say the base of my subscribers are in the binary options market. But here's the thing about me. You guys know that I'm not a one-trick pony, okay? I'm not a binary options trader. I'm not a Forex trader. I'm not a futures trader. I am a trader, okay? I trade with the premise of price action trader. So if anything, price action trading. So if anything, I'm a price action trader. What that means is that I can basically trade anything I want. I can go to any market, analyze it, see what time frames work best, and I can apply price action trading to that marketplace. So with that being the case, I currently trade in the Forex. I also trade in the binary options market. So my work study lessons are based on binary options though. Okay. So a lot of people who see the sweet spot trade working, they're hoping that trade is in the new book. And it's not. The new book is for the Forex. So I just want to be clear, because I know people want to buy the book because it's only $25 to figure out what I'm doing in binary options. And I just want to be clear, what I'm saying? 'Cause I don't lead people astray. So I want to be clear when I say that the book title is exactly what it says. Swing trading the Forex. Okay. This book is for the Forex, but I do cover a little bit of price action in it. I do cover the rule of two. I do cover the market cycle because all of that is part of price action and you're going to find it in any market. Okay. So you could, there's value in the book that you could apply to binary options, but the book is for the Forex. At the end of the book, I give you a strategy for the Forex to start making money immediately in the Forex. Okay. Now you can take that information and apply to binary options, especially if you've been trading. You have a good knowledge of trading, but to be clear, this book is for the Forex. I just want to be clear about that. Okay. And while I'm talking about books, I want to show an example for you guys, because you guys have heard me talk about bad trading knowledge. Okay. Right. Bad trading knowledge is what the industry puts out there to tell you what you need to do to win. So I had a book that I've talked about. I've never told the title. I'm still not gonna say the title today. I'm still not gonna shoot the author down, but I want to show you something, a contrast. This book was supposed to teach me how to trade in the Forex, okay? And maybe some other markets. It's basically comprised of breakout strategies and dog is barking trying to mess with my video. It's basically comprised of breakout strategies, learning pivot points, and teaching you how to use about 20 indicators. Okay. Then at the end of the book, they actually just try to sell you an indicator that they say is a like compilation of all the separate indicators they teach you in this book. You see how thick this book is? You see how thick this book is? This book is thick like this for a reason, because they want you to think. Okay. The marketplace the overall trading marketplaces wants you to think that you need a book this big to learn how to trade, when the truth is you need a book this big. Ain't that something? What irony. They want you to believe that you need a book this big to start making money in the Forex, when really you need a book this big. You need a book that you can sit down and read in one setting. You can sit down and read my book in one setting. I put it up against this book any day. I stand on business on that, okay? I did what was in this book and I lost thousands, okay? I did what was in this book and I lost thousands. Bad common trading knowledge, okay? But this book here, I stand on this book. And the strategy that's in the end of it, so that book, this book is everything it says it is. A mechanical trading system to start winning tomorrow, okay? And so I'm actually going to prove to you right now that you actually can start winning tomorrow, because that brings me to my second product. So that's about the book. The book is for the Forex. I hope I cleared up, any confusion on that. Now that brings me to my next product, which is the Titan trading. Wait a minute. Swing Trading Titans community. Sorry. Okay. The Swing Trading Titans community. Some of you have already. Oh, you know what? Let me go back and talk about the book value first. Sorry. Let me go back and finish the book so then we can move on. So this book is actually $22.42. It's $25 now with shipping and handling for people who getting the copy, author copy signed book. But so $22.42, right, is the price of this book. But you can start winning tomorrow. So the use value of this book is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I'm only charging $22.42. So that means I'm giving you more use value than what I'm taking in cash value. Wallace D. Rados, Signs Again Rich theory right there. I'm not giving you a book that is costing $500 or $5,000 and it's going, you're not going to make that. No, I'm giving you a strategy in this book for $22.42 that you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars from. So the use value of this book is way more than the cash value that I'm charging for it. So I'm giving true value to the marketplace. So I can sleep well at night, okay? Because I can sleep well at night because I'm giving true value. I'm giving people more in use value than I receive in cash value. And that's how you get rich the right way, okay? Now we can move on to my other product, which is the Swing Trading Titans community. The great thing about the Swing Trading Titans community is that we're using the strategy. So everybody who's in the community and is growing, they already know that whatever's in this book works because they're actually already doing it. We do it every day. We take trades every day. So, I'm just gonna show you a few trades, right? To show you that what's in the book does work. So let's just jump over to the computer real quick so you can see this. So here's the Swing Trading Titans community. Okay. This is from today. Today is actually, this is going to air later, but today is actually 3/26/2024. So this is today. This is a pound Swiss trade that we put in on the 24th. It hit target 1 and target 2. Let's look at the entry. Here was the entry. This is what's in the book, right? This is the entry. Then bam. That was target 1. Here's target 2. All right. Great trade. We was only in it for 2 days and we made good money. Now, I want to point something out. Again, I give people more in use value than I receive in cash value. This Swing Trading Titans course is $10 a month. Okay. It's only $10 a month. That's not even, is that a Starbucks cup of coffee? Right? Look at my P&L at the time of this trade. $200. Just think about that. This community is $10 a month. this one trade, you see where my P&L was at. Well, I had more trades than this going. So I want to be clear. I had more than this one trade, but this is the point, $200, right? So we also was in this Audi Swiss trade, same thing, but this one hit all 3 targets. Okay. Here was the entry. Here was the email that went out to everybody that, hey, we're in the sweet spot. Take the setup if you like it. Here's where your safe area is. Here's target 1, target 2, target 3. All right, what happened? Bam. This was target 1 hit. Then this sucker kept going all the way up to target 3. Boom. Okay. So again, this is just another example. And currently this ETH trade is up. This Cardano trade is up. We're down a little bit on the dollar yen trade, and this pound trade here won. I don't even know what our winning percentage is at this point. It's ridiculous though. Just like I say in the book, get the book today, start winning tomorrow. So those people who have joined this community, they already know what's in the book. They already know that the book is fire, because they're living out the results of what most people are just about to start learning in the book. And so again, this is another one of my products where I give more value than cash value I receive, right? So it's $10 a month, but just look at, just look at, boom. I mean, I was up 200. So what you will receive is way more valuable than what you're paying out. You know what? Let's go to that Bitcoin. I got a Bitcoin trade somewhere that I gave away for free about 9 days ago. You can go to the community page and you will see. Here it is right here. So I gave this out in the community just because I was feeling good after my anniversary, and I told people to enter. I said, hey, we get into the sweet spot. If you got to the sweet spot and you took this trade, boom. And this boy got to, I didn't update it, but it got to level 2. It got to about around this. It hit about 71,000 again. Okay. Now on that trade alone, I made 250. So I don't know what everybody else did on it, but I made 250 on that trade alone. So again, $10 a month gets you trade ideas where you could, this dog is driving me nuts. I hope y'all can't hear him, but $10 a month gets you trade ideas that can make you, $50 a win, $100 a win, $200. It's up to you. I don't know what your account size is, but that's how that goes. So that's the Swing Trading Titans community. Okay. So that brings me to my last product, which is, in my opinion, my crown jewel, which is my IOTS, price action trading system. All I got is a little picture of it here. Now, for those who are in the binary options market, who want to trade binary options, this is the product for you. Okay. Now, the price tag is $500. I know in other countries, $500, is a lot of money, but it's not in the States. I'll be honest. We spend $500 on what? On Xboxes. We spend $500 on PlayStation 2s. We spend $500 on surround sound systems. We spend $500 on big screen TVs. You know what I'm saying? Some of us spending $500 on a good high-end meal. So in the United States, $500 ain't all that. So what I'm saying is, again, the course is going to give you more use value than the cash value it costs, because you guys, I don't know how many times now, have seen me make $500 in under 25 minutes. Okay. I don't know how many videos I got where I've done that, but I got quite a few. All right. Again, I'm not a one-trick pony. It's happened several times. So again, if you get the course, you're going to receive more use value than the cash value you pay for it. And that's how I stand on business. That's how I sleep at night, because I know that my products give people more use value than the cash value I receive. And here's the one thing about the price action course that people don't understand, because you're thinking binary, you're thinking, yeah, I want to trade binary, and you're thinking, that's what you're thinking, I want to trade binary. But what you will learn once you take the course is that I'm not teaching you just how to win in the binary options market. The course, I didn't build the course over because of the binary options market. I built the course on the premise and the strategy of price action trading. The course teaches you how to read a price chart. Once you know how to read a price chart, you can go to any market. It doesn't matter. You can go to regular options. You can go to the Forex. You can go to futures. You can go to stocks. It doesn't matter. If it's a price chart with a candlestick, if you can find a market that has Japanese candlesticks, price action will work in that market. So the course doesn't just teach you binary options, although, I'm trading binary options within the course, but the course teaches you how to read a price chart. It teaches you price action trading. So again, my titles tell you what it is. This is a price action. It's a price action trading system. Okay. So you may give the 500, but now you have the ability to make thousands or 100,000s or millions. You know what I'm saying? This piece of this product is a life changer, not a game changer. It's a life changer. And I'm proud of that. You know what I'm saying? I am very proud of that my students' trading journeys are changing for the better. You know what I'm saying? And the numbers are coming in ridiculous. Okay. The record is up to 21 wins in a row now. Okay. My record was 11. I had one student who dropped 15. I had another student who dropped 21 wins in a row. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna top that. I mean, man, y'all keep raising the bar on a brother. So I'm so happy that my students are prospering. My students are increasing on the sudden. Okay. And so people who have taken this course and who now have the knowledge to get wealth are increasing on the sudden. And that's a beautiful thing. And let me tell you how the course came about, because I thank you guys, right? I truly do. Let me tell you what, the book came about because somebody asked me to do a Forex training, and I remember that I had a winning Forex strategy sitting on the shelf. Okay. The community came about because after I got back into Forex, I started realizing people's always asking me, can I copy your trades, or do you have Telegram with signals? And I didn't, because I don't think it works right in binary options, but in Forex it does, because we're on a 4-hour chart, so people have plenty of time to take the trade comfortable, totally, and safely. I know I didn't say that wrong. Y'all know I can't talk sometimes, but people take the trade safely. So the community came about again from you guys. Finally, the course came about because when I got started on making YouTube videos, I was just making them to keep myself disciplined so that I could go back over my trades, also make sure I ain't getting cheated, so I was recording my videos and I was just uploading to YouTube. I had no idea this channel was gonna grow. I had no idea people was gonna start asking me trading questions. I had no idea I was a trading teacher. I had no idea I was a teacher of traders at that time. I just was posting videos. I'm just laying out the story. This is how it happened. And so then one day somebody was like, dude, do you have a course? And I was like, in my head, I said, in my head I do. And then I went out and got the proper software to build the course so that when you take it, it'll be a nice experience for you, because I am an IT developer by trade, computer programmer by trade. So I went out, found a great product to house the course, to build the course, and to give it out. That's how the course came about. The book came about from you guys, from the need that was in the marketplace. The Titan Traders community came about from you guys because of the need that was in the marketplace. And the course was created from you guys to fill the need that was in the marketplace. And the crazy part about it is all of this was inside of me the whole time, and I didn't know it until you guys asked for it. Life is crazy. Life is crazy. Now, years ago, I prayed that God help me find a business that I could promote, because I was so tired of promoting businesses that was going out of business. And I did a lot of MLM, I admit, and trying to recruit family members and all that kind of stuff. So I used to really pray that God gave me my own business that I could be in control, put out good products, and truly help people. And he did it. Yahuwah has finally done it. And so on that note, I'm going to end with this, just so you guys know who I am. All right. My name is Javon. Okay. It comes from the root word John. My parents have told me this a cajillion thousand times. My name is Javon, comes from the root word John, which means Yahuwah has been gracious to us. That's who I am. Now you know. So all I'm doing is fulfilling my purpose. You know what I'm saying? I give people more in use value than I receive in cash value, because I want to sleep good at night. I sleep good at night, and I want to get rich the right way, right? The right way. You know, don't you hate when like we got a lot of chicken spots popping up. I'm getting this is kind of off base, but I'm just saying we got a lot of chicken spots popping up, and I feel like they're all trying to get rich off of one sale. You know what I'm saying? You give me 12 wings, you charge me $22, and they didn't even know that fire. You know what I'm saying? Stop trying to get rich off of one sale, chicken spot places. Please give us a good value, some extra wings, and we'll come back. I've been to 4 new chicken spots one time because I'm not getting the value I deserve. But I didn't want my products to be like that. So I give people more, and I make sure you getting more in use value than I receive in cash value, because I don't have to get rich on one person. All I have to do is give enough value to millions of people, and I get rich the right way. Got it? You see, I am an advancing man, and I advance all those who deal with me. That's another chapter in the book from The Science of Getting Rich. I am in the flow of increase, and my flow is overflowing to everybody else who's on this channel. And we are all going to increase on the sudden. All right. So this was a long spiel. Had to do a little house cleaning, right? I wanted you guys to know who I am, how to properly use my product suites, and the benefits that each of them may have for you. So pick your prosperity. You got the book, you got the Swing Trading Titans community, and you got the course. Pick your prosperity and increase on the sudden. All right, so I'm still gonna do a work study lesson for you and show you a trade example as usual. Let's get down to some teaching. All right, roll it. Hey guys, JD here. Today we'll be looking at the CAD yen. So you see this beautiful trend down here. So I was able to draw my fib from the top right here. I drew from the top right here to the bottom right here. Okay. And then it was a little range. Then we had trend up. Real small trend break, not strong at all. But if you're going right here, that's a trend up, trend break, retest right into the sweet spot. Then when it got into the sweet spot, it gave you what you would expect right out the gate right here. Really from this low, it's kind of push up, push down, first entry. It's tight. It's hard to see it, but first entry, push, push, push. Second entry short right here, right back out of the sweet spot. You can go right there. This is a higher risk trade, but if you was reading the price action, you may have saw this as a first entry push down, second entry short right there. Candle broke lower, closed lower than the one to the left, coming right back out the sweet spot. You could take it. It's a little riskier. You could kind of play this one safer and wait for the high, push down lower high that came quickly right behind it here. Now I really like this entry. Once you see this, once it made those 2 attempts to go higher and couldn't, made the higher low, I really like this entry, and that's a homer. I mean, you win them either one, you take, you win. You take this first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take the second one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either one, you're good. But then if you take this higher low right, well, then you get another one though, high, lower high right here. Actually, that's a very small candle. I'm sorry, I know this is small today. But if you take that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you win that one too. So you can grab a quick 3 right here. But if you take this one right here, I believe wait. Take this. I may be mistaken. You take this lower high right here. Under the EMA, this is wifey's trade. Going to reverse, you get 1, 2, let me see. 1, 2, no, you ain't gonna win this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They get you. That one gets you, then boom. I thought it was one that got you. Take that one off. You got some stems here, stem here, stem here, stem here. It's a few warning shots there, but you may still go on that one though. It just didn't work out. I can't draw today. It's a little early. I'm trying to rush to another meeting. Okay. And so, you know, you get caught there. But then when this boy pushes back down strong, that's a sign. This is a humongous candle. Close on this low. Much bigger than all this other stuff. I saw this candle, I just knew right then big money was coming into the market. So I kind of went right here. And I was considering this a high, push up, lower high. Now, it wasn't, you normally want it to be the very next candle, but this just comes with experience. You kind of know, you know, when you waiting for a pattern and then you see a humongous candle where you kind of know big money just came into the market. Yeah, sometimes you go. And well, that was cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, home run. Then I saw the classic high, push down, lower high right here. Went right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no problem. Then I was a little risky because I saw another one. High, push down, lower high. Now this one right here is too far from the EMA. I'm gonna tell you right now it is. But I was just thinking that we was in a pretty good trend. I still had a target down here. So I went for it, but very risky because it's just too far from the EMA. Again, I say your best entries are gonna be on or around the 21 EMA. But 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 5. I win by the hair of my chinny chin chin. So that's what I saw today. And then I didn't take this one because I was just like, this one was too close to a win. This here is a first entry, second entry short, but the signal candle didn't break lower than this one. And it didn't break higher to like where it really showed me a lot of rejection or that it trapped some longs. So I'm looking at the size of this one, the size of this one, and I'm just like, we may pull back. So I didn't go there. And again, I just barely won here. So I was able to call it a day on that. I felt, you know, sometimes you just, don't be greedy. Just call it a day sometimes. So that's what I saw. But hey, if you caught this one starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 6 out of 7. That's always a good day. All right. So this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you guys. Hit that like button for your boy. Take care of me. I appreciate you. All right. And as normal, I have a trade example. So let's roll it. Let's check out this Cayenne. I see a beautiful trend down, big range, 1, 2 legs up. We hit the sweet spot here. Came right out. Big candle for the trend down, trend break, retest. Let's go. We have many targets of here and here. Trend down, trend break, should retest down here. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this one, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, of course, and check out this video right here to learn some more price action trading. All right. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sun. Bye-bye.